YouTube Shorts present one of the best opportunities in recent years to grow your YouTube channel. Despite the growing popularity, the competition in the Shorts space is still relatively low. In this video, I'll show you how to create and upload a YouTube Short using your PC or desktop computer. I found a very interesting website AI tools to help you with making YouTube Short videos. Press up in the corner Create a Video. It's time to start creating. Prompt. Transform a simple text prompt into a captivating video. New. Start here. URL. Turn any blog post into a dynamic video by simply pasting the URL. Script. Write or paste your script and turn it into a compelling video. Here you can write anything you want. Write your idea with a simple prompt. Here we will write an example. Tell me funny fact. Scroll down here, you can select AI voice, then click Generate Scripts.
Did you know? A shrimp's heart is located in its head. Now that's a funny fact to brighten your day and bring a happy chuckle. Did you know? A shrimp's heart is located in its head. Now that's a funny fact to brighten your day and bring a happy chuckle.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Take care.